Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Ford Fiesta, and this started being used in 2015 to present. So for some of the newer Fiesta models, actually has a smart remote, looks like this. So to get to the battery here, we got to separate this piece. You can see there's kind of a line that goes all around the key fob here. We got to separate this into two pieces, and the key to this is in the upper right. If you're looking at the key right this, like where my right index finger is, right here, there's a little bit of a notch. So we turn it this way, you can see there's a small notch. You can get a little bit of leverage. We got to pry these two pieces apart. So the easiest way I found is you can take a flathead screwdriver, you can actually just take another key, kind of stick it in there, and just turn it and try to get some leverage and pry these two parts apart. And it'll be a little difficult, but you're able to get into that notch and turn. You'll be able to separate these two pieces. You can also go right here where the key ring might go and pop these two pieces off. There's a little rubber backing that may come off or stay, just covers the battery here. The battery that you need to change is the CR2032. You can just tap that out and that'll fall right out. And when you're putting in a new coin battery, just make sure, again, this CR2032, just make sure the positive side is facing towards you. Positive side has the lettering on it like so. Pop that back in, and then just go ahead and replace the backing. And this will all kind of snap back together real nice and easy. So that's how you change the battery on Ford Fiesta key fob. And again, this is a CR2032 battery. I'll put a link to it at the bottom. Thanks.